Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We have it 9 in the morning here in our Airbnb, and the day is not gonna go as planned. Yesterday night I was driving down here to our windmill Airbnb, which we had to book because I'm having the appointment today with the shop to get a new tire and new bearings. But what happened is I broke down yesterday right on the street outside with the loud noise and the cracking, and what I think is that the bearings broke, like for real. Let me show you. So as you can see, if I now, yesterday, if you remember, I could just easily wiggle the tire and there was a play, but right now there's nothing. It's just super stiff. There's nothing happening. And when I turn the wheel, can you see and hear that? It goes like this, and I cannot ride that anymore. So that is a real problem. So what I'm going to do is we'll now text the shop that I was going to anyways, and I will see if they can pick me up. I'll let you guys know. So while we're waiting for them to reply, I can show you guys the apartment. It's an old windmill with 3 floors. Here's the kitchen. Goes up in the 2nd floor. Here's the bedroom. Look who's there. Say hi to YouTube.
Good morning. So close.
Okay. Not too close, guys. So, and then there's a 2nd floor right over here. This is where I can work, and so yeah, that is pretty cool. It was €100 a night, right?
Yeah, including the yeah.
All right, yeah, we have this here for tonight, and I just booked it because I have made this appointment with the garage. So yeah, let's wait until they reply, and we'll have to figure out a way to get the Honda to the shop. Oh God, guys, see you in a bit. Oh. All right, okay, I'll come out. Okay.
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 For you.
Okay. The bike. Hear that? Yeah. Awesome. Well, that is strapped on tight, yeah. Very good, man. Awesome. Yeah, let's go.
You have a key?
Yeah, I have the key. Okay. This looks scary. Let's take it down, yeah?
So nice to receive you here.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy, guys. Really. Okay, guys, since we were a bit late, the guys have a lunch break now, so we're gonna have some lunch too, and then we'll meet them back at the shop to work on the Honda and get everything fixed. What's up?
Okay.
Oh.
This is before, okay? We are going to
Yeah?
clean it up.
Yeah, alright.
Mechanic now will do a proper cleaning here.
Yeah. Oh, wow, cool. Awesome. Looks like brand new, man.
Yeah,
Very
almost.
good. How does it look?
one.
Yeah, this one is broken, right?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Oh, oh wow, everything is. Oh shit. Oh man. Wow, this is just smashed. Oh man. Dude. This is not how it's supposed to look.
Wiesz tam
We need more manpower.
Not easy.
Shit.
Mas ele já mexeu?
Esse é de origem, pá?
Sim. Se calhar precisa de calor.
É de origem? Ela dá um calor aí. Verdade, ela dá um calor.
Poxa, isso até dois às mãos, meu.
It's no job for pussies, man.
No. Because the metal with the hot is expanding.
Expanding,
Yeah.
Oh, hey, good job, man.
É a minha ferramenta da moto fixa.
That's the new one. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look.
This is an old one,
Ah, yeah, okay.
and this is a broke one.
Broken is more fun, right?
Yeah,
way
more
more fun.
fun.
Yeah.
Scooter is basic.
Yeah.
You know. This is the best. Great machine.
Yeah. Done.
If you notice, all the KTMs, the newer models,
Yeah.
they are made for dirt, but if they fall, totally destroyed. Totally destroyed. You have 1,000 parts to
Yeah.
replace.
And
This
here
one,
it's
if it
just-
falls,
yeah.
maybe one or two
Yeah.
fairings, but it's okay.
Yeah.
The newer models, you have like 10,000 euros to spend.
So many stuff, you know.
This
and
is
and
one
this is
of
just
the-
so simple, everything, you know.
Yeah.
And
That's how it is supposed to be.
I feel like it's thought out, you know,
Yeah.
like I don't know. Also here, why don't you do this anymore? You know, like I don't understand. You know, why not
Because they,
protect the
because
forest?
they want to sell. These
They
are
want to
rates.
sell.
Yeah.
And they break, of course, when there's like dirt and rocks. Of course they break.
Yeah.
And
All
you-
the retailers and everything is gone.
And those you don't have to touch, you know, they will last
Yeah, they will last forever.
forever. Yeah.
Imagine even the motorbikes.
Yeah.
Why the motocross bikes?
Yeah.
Why don't they
Why
have
not?
this?
You know, why or this? Why not protect them?
Yeah.
This.
And this one is traditional.
Yeah.
The newer models are inverted.
Yeah.
So if it breaks the retainers, all the liquid
Yeah.
starts to go off here to the
Yeah.
brakes. It's terrible.
No.
So this one, you need to keep it.
Yeah, I will
This
keep
is a
it forever.
treasure.
You know, I have a special plan for the. But I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. But it's gonna be something really great.
Yeah.
So there's 3 bearings, right, in the wheel. 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. We took out 2 and now.
Two on the wheel
Yeah.
and one in this part. It's more easy. You see?
That's it.
Much more easy.
Yeah, much more easier. Oh, cool.
Deixa de quê? Natal? Feliz Natal. Feliz Natal. Natal já passou.
Tá aqui.
To get it in the hole,
Yeah.
that's always the hard part.
Vais encaixar depois a corrente. Aí. Bora.
It looks good, guys. I think we can ride out of here in just a bit. Look at this, guys. New Heidi on. Now we can do some off-road. Very good. Bearings are fixed. Awesome.
Done.
Awesome. Fabio, good job.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Motor fix.
Mark Travel, the best client
Awesome.
here. Moto
Yeah.
fix.
I will be back when I'm in Portugal.
Thank you very much.
Check out Motofix in Lisbon, Portugal. Very nice guys and super service. Guys, that was awesome. Thomas.
Great.
Yeah.
See you.
Fabio.
Fabio.
See you, man.
See you.
Have a great time. Have a great new year.
See you.
Ciao. Okay, guys. Well, that was a fun day, really. So yeah, this whole thing now cost us quite a bit of money. First of all, the pickup from the Airbnb cost us €75, and the tire and the bearings plus the work, they were about €265. So all up, something like 350, which is okay. I mean, that is all part of traveling, you know. You go on a bike, stuff breaks, you go through tires, that's just normal. So that's all part of the deal. I have to live with that. The cool thing is I have a breakdown coverage from my insurance, and they are gonna actually pay for half of it almost. So I can just give them all the bills. I will let you guys know what they paid. Anyways, guys, on the way home, I want to show you something really cool. So just stay with me for a little bit. Look at the bridge, guys. So much traffic now. I think this bridge is called Ponte 25 de Abril. I don't know exactly. I put it in the description. It's just a massive bridge that goes over the river here. It's just insane. And it's actually built by the same guy that also built the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. So a very cool and unique structure, really. It's just so impressive. This morning I didn't really see much of it because it was all misty. But right now we're having this really cool experience here. And over there in the background you can see the statue of Jesus. And what I heard is it is the same one, or a little bit smaller, from the famous one that is in Rio de Janeiro. Looks incredible. What a crazy day. But this is all part of the adventure. This is why I'm doing it. Met some incredible nice people. Motofix Lisbon. Go. If you have a problem with your bike, you can totally go to those guys. They are super cool dudes. Tomorrow I'm going to continue the journey down south towards Faro, Let's see how far we get. I haven't made a plan yet. I'm going to end this video for tonight. Thanks so much guys for watching. Thanks for all the cool comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers!